going to be unboxing the Redmi Earbuds S. Now this is a new affordable pair of true wireless earphones from Xiaomi, part of the Redmi sub-brand, and we're going to now give this a shot and kind of unbox it and see what's in the package, as well as give it a try and see what our first impressions are. Now as soon as we open up the box, the first thing you will see is of course the charging case, and inside the charging case are the earphones. These are the Redmi Earbuds S. This is essentially the same variant as the Redmi Earbuds S that was launched in China in April. They're called the Earbuds S in India for a little bit of ease of understanding exactly what this product is. This is something that Xiaomi told us. You will see the micro USB port on the back. This is for charging the case, and it is, I will agree, not exactly the best option because USB Type-C is a lot easier, a lot better. But at the same time, you have to remember that this is an affordable pair of true wireless earphones, and this is kind of expected. We weren't really expecting USB Type-C on this pair of earphones. Micro USB is still pretty much a standard for an affordable pair like this. Now also included in the box of the Redmi Earbuds S is the ear tips. There is, let me just see if I can count that. There are 2 extra pairs of ear tips inside this packet right here. I'm not going to open them up immediately. I'm just going to show you the ear tip on the earphones themselves. You can just pop it off fairly easily and put it straight back on when you need. Now these are in different sizes, and you will be able to customize the fit a little bit according to what your ears will take. You will be able to pick the smaller or the medium size. These are the large size ones on the earphones themselves. Now we've gotten to this point. You can see the charging case, you can see the earphones themselves, and you can see the extra ear tips. The rest of the box is empty save for just a manual. Big omission here, there's no charging cable. You don't really get a micro USB charging cable with this pair of earphones. Now this is in all likelihood something that Xiaomi and Redmi are doing to save money and to kind of make this as affordable as it is. You will have to rely on another cable, rather I should say, but it's important to point out there's no cable in the box, and you're going to have one lying around at home, or you'll have to buy one separately to be able to charge these earphones.